Stop notifications from showing on your iPhone lock screen. If you don't want others to see your messages or notifications when your iPhone is locked, here are two simple settings you need to change. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now tap on Show Previews. If this is set to Always, your notification content will show even when your iPhone is locked. To hide the message content, select When Unlocked, or choose Never if you don't want previews to show at all. Now for the second setting. Go back to Settings and scroll down to Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode. Scroll down to Allow Access when locked. Here, turn off Notification Center. Once you do this, notifications won't show at all on your lock screen. This keeps your messages completely private when your phone is locked. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips, and check out the next video on your screen for another useful trick.